Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. This time around, Kenny and his team have created a beautiful film lab layout pack, and this layout pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Alright, so let's take a quick look at the Film Lab Layout Pack for Divi. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it. Really clean, minimal, and you get a ton of beautiful images which you can use without any restrictions. You also get this beautiful icon set which you can also use freely on your own website. So if you really like this layout pack, you want to use it on your own website, you can go to elegantthemes.com/layouts. And over here you can find all of the different layout packs that come with Divi for free, so you're free to combine different layouts from different layout packs to create your website, or you can scroll down until you come across the Film Lab Layout Pack. If you click on it, you will be able to see all of the different layouts that come with this layout pack, all available in Divi for free, and you can view the live demo by clicking on the blue button. Now this will redirect you to a live website where you can go ahead and discover each and every layout for yourself without actually installing it on your website first. So say for instance you really enjoy the Film Lab landing page and you want to use it on your own website, you can go back to your WordPress website, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, Add New, give your page a title, publish the page, and enable the Divi Builder. Now when creating a new page, you will get three options. You can start building from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page. We're going to browse through our pre-made layouts by clicking on the purple item. Over here we have all of our different layout packs again, so go ahead and scroll down until you come across the Film Lab Layout Pack. Select a layout of your choice and click on the green button that says use this layout. So as you can notice, this takes a little to no time for it to upload to your page and change all of the content. And from that point on, you can start modifying everything to make your page ready to go live. So of course you can modify written content that comes with certain modules, but you can also play around with Divi's built-in options and efficiency features to make changes to your page design. So say for instance, you want to add a sticky effect to this row over here, and you want it to stop at the end of the section. So first of all, I can notice that we have two rows over here in this section, so I'm going to duplicate this section. And I'm going to remove the second row in the first section over here, and then the first row in the second section. So this will just help us split up the different rows between different sections. And now I have this section dedicated to this row. So to create a sticky effect, we're going to add some bottom padding to our section. Let me go to the spacing settings over here. I'm going to use 500 pixels for the bottom padding to generate some space. And then I'm going to open the row settings, go to the advanced tab, go to the scroll effects, and over here I'm going to select stick to top. And the bottom sticky limit is going to be section. So as soon as the section ends, this sticky effect will end as well. And just like that, I'm able to add a sticky effect to my row. I can also change the column settings over here to make sure they both come into view. Let me go to the transform translate options here, so you can notice a little bit of negative transform translate value here. We're going to change that in a sticky state by selecting the sticky icon, going to that tab. And once this turns sticky, I want it to be 0, so it comes entirely into view. And here we go. So that's just one of the few things that you can do using Divi. So go ahead and play around with this beautiful layout pack and create stunning web design. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter or YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.